Conjugation of the verb to design in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I design. 2. Simple past, I designed. 3. Simple future, I will design. 4. Present continuous, I am designing. 5. Past continuous, I was designing. 6. Future continuous, I will be designing. 7. Present perfect, I have designed. 8. Past perfect, I had designed. 9. Future perfect, I will have designed. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been designing. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been designing. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been designing. Conjugation of the verb to design, he, she, or it. 1. Simple present, he, she, or it designs. 2. Simple past, he, she, or it designed. 3. Simple future, he, she, or it will design. 4. Present continuous, he, she, or it is designing. 5. Past continuous, he, she, or it was designing. 6. Future continuous, he, she, or it will be designing. 7. Present perfect, he, she, or it has designed. 8. Past perfect, he, she, or it had designed. 9. Future perfect, he, she, or it will have designed. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she, or it has been designing. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she, or it had been designing. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she, or it will have been designing. Conjugation of the verb to design, you, we, or they. 1. Simple present, you, we, or they design. 2. Simple past, you, we, or they designed. 3. Simple future, you, we, or they will design. 4. Present continuous, you, we, or they are designing. 5. Past continuous, you, we, or they were designing. 6. Future continuous, you, we, or they will be designing. 7. Present perfect, you, we, or they have designed. 8. Past perfect, you, we, or they had designed. 9. Future perfect, you, we, or they will have designed. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we, or they have been designing. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we, or they had been designing. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we, or they will have been designing.